Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In last week's video we brought you the process of milling a black walnut tree, and if you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and give it a watch. In today's video we're going to show you the entire salvage process of taking a dead standing ash tree killed by the emerald ash borers and felling it, recovering it, and turning it in to live edge material. Hope you enjoy. We got some help today. What do you guys say, huh? Got all kinds of help today. All right, let's do it. This crotch right here broke off. See that? I think the main trunk's fine, but lost a pretty big section right there. Jeez. Let's see if we can get into it. Well, I think it's pretty obvious which way it wants to go.
It looks like he wants to go this way.
I would say so.
It's just that he's got a couple back leaning limbs up here, but
yeah,
most of them in the trunk wants to go this way.
So that would be more convenient if we can send it up the hill.
Yeah, that's where the truck is, so
that would be nice.
Get him up there.
All right, let's do it.
There's still 15, 20% hinge wood, which is a lot. Normally it's about 10% when the tree goes. So I just wanted to see, because this thing it's been dead for a little bit and I didn't know if it was a little weaker, so we try to get it over without cutting through a hinge wood or anything, cutting through too much of the wood. But looks like we'll try a couple more wedges and then maybe cut some more wood and work on the wedges at the same time.
All right. Let's go.
Nice.
Now it should be able to come out. You ready to mill? Attaboy. So right now Will's setting our top cut, which is our first cut on the tree, which takes the top off the tree. And it's usually deeper than our slabbing cuts because you got to get underneath the 2-inch ladder. You want to put money that there's spalting under here?
I already know there is. Yeah, I put money aside. How much do you want to bet there's not?
$1.
All right, I'll take you up. All right, let's see what's under this top cut here. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. This ash is light. Yeah, we got some interesting stuff going on in here. So there's some spalting lines in here. Looks like these black lines. Not too much. I guess these black dots are from the emerald ash borer. That's what the blight is on all these ashes, killing all these ashes.
Covered on this edge right here.
The really interesting part is from here up. So here, this kind of looks like what you see in ambrosia maple, a little bit lighter. I'm not exactly sure what it's from, but it looks a lot like that ambrosia maple, but it's just a little bit lighter. Then we come up here, and this is the grain figure in the crotch, and you see it's kind of like almost like water. That's always my favorite part. And then a little bit of a bark inclusion between these two branches, and then just some more cool figure coming in here and on the other side as well. So lots of cool stuff in these ash slabs. I'm really glad that we went ahead and salvaged them.
Time to get them stacked and stickered up. Good. So now that we got them stacked up and stickered up, they'll air dry in this shed for a couple weeks and then get finished off in the kiln. And then after that, they'll ship out to customers. Well, that's it for us today, everyone. Thanks for watching. We had a blast milling out this ash, had some beautiful character we didn't expect. And if you're interested in any of these slabs, they are for sale. I'll leave an email in the description of the video, and you can also find us on Instagram at 3 Brothers Millworks. Leave us a DM and we'll get right back to you. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got some big projects coming your way in 2021.